Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is behavior based targeting in meta advertising. Look, whenever you create an ad campaign in Meta Ads Manager, then at the ad set level you get a section of suggest an audience, right? Here in detail targeting you can target the right audience so that your ad showcase to relevant people, and like a lower budget you get good results. So in detail targeting, whenever you click on browse, there are three types of filters available. You can target people on the basis of demographics, interest and behavior, right? It is not mandatory to select behavior based targeting. I am just explaining you can select filters available in interest as well. You can select filters available in demographics as well. So let's jump into behavior based targeting. Okay, whenever we click on behavior, there are few behavior based targeting filters available in it. You can target people on the basis of their anniversary. You can target people on the basis of their consumer classification, like which country's product they like, and you can target people on the basis of their digital activity, like do they make Facebook payments, are they Facebook page admins, are they creators, and which kind of browsers they use. You can target people on the basis of that. Are they running a active business, newly active business? You can target people on the basis of their OS as well, operating system. You can target people on the basis of like what do they do, are they a small business owner, or they are creators. You can target people on the digital activities team, expats, where they lived in past. You can target on the basis of that as well. You can target on the basis of mobile device by brand, mobile device by OS. Similarly, in more categories, marketing API developers interested in upcoming events. You can target people on the basis of their purchase behavior or travel. So these are few filters available in behavior based targeting, right? Again, I am reminding you, it is not mandatory to select behavior based targeting. If you want to select interest based targeting or demographic based targeting, then also you can do that. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our course, and you can purchase directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.